Have you ever had a brilliant app idea, but you couldn't bring it to life just because you don't know how to write code? What if I told you the gap between imagination and creation has been bridged, that you can transform your idea into a fully fledged app without writing a single line of code? Imagine having a power of building fully functional applications just by describing what you want. So today I'm going to show you that how you can build a fully functional app by just writing a single prompt. So hey everyone, this is Meman Vashisht here. I am student at IIT Guwahati pursuing my bachelor's degree in data science and artificial intelligence. So watch the video till the end and I am going to reveal that how you can build your fully functional app just in minutes. So let's talk about the first and the most important step, mental clarity. You need to have a clear vision of what you are creating. If you have a perfect clarity, then you are good to go. So what does perfect clarity means? It means knowing exactly what problems your app solve, who will use it, what function it contains, and how should it look and feel. Once you have the clarity, now it's time to create a prompt. So what we have to do right now, we are going to craft a prompt. For crafting it, you can use any LLM model which you prefer. I am personally using ChatGPT for it. So just I open the ChatGPT and I paste my app description. After pasting it, you have to just click on enter and here we good to go. You can see that ChatGPT generates a perfect prompt for me within just seconds. And here it generated a powerful prompt for me. It mentioned about core features and functionalities. And some of the core feature and functionalities about my app are multi-level AI-powered summarization, question generation from documents, smart content structuring, multi-file upload and processing, real-time AI chat assistant, export and sharing options, dark mode and custom themes. If we talk about the step-by-step guide to building the app, in the first step, it mentioned text selections, in which it mentioned that for the front-end development, which technologies we are going to use for the backend and AI and NLPs and databases and cloud storage. And in the second, it's talk about the UI and UX design, about dashboard, summarization page, summary levels of user interface. And the third step is the backend development. And the fourth, AI model implementation in our app. And the fifth, the deployment and optimization. And it also talk about some of the additional features. So this is the perfect prompt which can help us to build an app without writing a single line of code. So now you have to just copy this whole prompt and we are ready to go. To build our app, we are going to use a platform called Lovable.dev. So you have to just search Lovable.dev in your PC or laptop and here we go. So as you can see that this is the home screen of Lovable.dev. If you are a new user, you have to just sign up by clicking here. After sign up, we are ready to go. You have to just paste your prompt here and just click on enter. As you can see that it started working on it. It started analyzing the prompt and here it started the coding also. And here it is. In less than 2 minutes, it wrote all the codes and generated our app. You can see that it named it as Owl Summarizer. You have to just upload your document and get an AI powered summary with key points, questions and insights. What you can do, you can drag and drop your file here, or you can just select your file by clicking on it. And just like I am uploading a file here. So now you have the three options to select the summary level, the basic one, the moderate one and advanced one. In the basic one, it gives the quick overview with main points only. In the moderate one, it gives the balanced summary with key details and structure. And in the advanced level of summary, it gives the comprehensive summary covering all points. Let me choose the advanced one and here we go. In the advanced level, it gives us the comprehensive summary and you can see that it covers all the points which are mentioned in the PDF and it provides the output in very clear and structured way. Here it extracts questions along with the summary. If you click on the questions, you can see that here are questions and takeaways which are extracted from the documents. Here are the multiple choice question, short question answers which are extracted from the document. And it contains many more features. You can also change the theme of your app by just clicking on it. Now you can see that it is the dark theme. You can also publish your app by just clicking on publish here and just click on publish. And here our site is live. You can also check it out. I mentioned the link in the description. So now let me show you something really powerful about this platform. It's seamless integration with Supabase and GitHub. So what exactly Supabase is? Supabase is an open source alternative to Firebase. It gives your app a ready-made backend with a database, authentication and storage capabilities. Think of it as an engine that power your apps behind the scenes, handling all your data without setting up the complex servers. When building your app on Lovable, you can connect it directly to the Supabase with just a few clicks. This means your app can have user logins, store information, even handle file uploads without writing a single line of code from your side. As for GitHub connectivity, it is a game changer for your workflow. Lovable can push all the generated code straight to your GitHub repository, which means you instantly have professional version control. even though you didn't write the code yourself, but you will have a complete code base that can be shared or modified by the developers if needed or deployed to hosting platforms. The beauty of this integration is that they can transform your no-code project into a professional-grade application. So this is how you can build your own app without writing a single line of code. If you have any idea, just execute it by using these platforms. If you found this video helpful, just hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more tech and AI stuff. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I had love to hear what you are planning to build. And remember that your dream app is just one step away from a good prompt. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.